Hi guys, long time no see. I got a Stitch Fix in the mail. For those of you that aren't sure what Stitch Fix is, I will have a description in the link below, and if I remember, I'll add one onto the end of this video. Meanwhile, let's get to unboxing. Mary, what do you have for us today to open with?
A sharp thing.
Ooh. We still have to do a video on your sword collection,
Yeah.
Mary. This is not really a sword unless for a really little hobbit.
That would be a very little hobbit.
This is not very sharp.
Hobbit child.
Never ever cut toward yourself. That's like, yeah. That'll get me started.
Okay.
Some of Mary's collection opens really fast, and the others, you might as well have a butter knife.
No.
But they look pretty. Oh, let me show them. If you can see, this has like a little design on the hilt.
We have
Yeah.
used that one before, but I don't think we've
remember
used
it.
it in a while.
All right, let's see what we got. When I wrote to the stylist, I said, normally I give all kinds of directions. I need this, this, and this. And I thought, I'm going to keep it simple. I said easy, light, and packable. I did peek at the preview, and one of the items I think is not undergarment friendly, and I don't wear like halter tops and things like that. But the patterns on some of these were really nice. So let's see what they're like when we unbox. First, I have my invoice. Let's keep that handy for names. And Stitch Fix, of course, always sends a note from the stylist and styling cards that shows you ways you can style some items that are in the boxes. Let me open up and get to my note. This is Christine, and here is my bundle, or as Georgia Sunshine calls it, a fundle. There, I like the colors I'm seeing. Oh, wow. All right, let's see what's in here. I said packable because I will be going to Florida to visit my eldest son's family, wife, and grandchild down there. Ooh. First thing we have is a pair of shorts.
I'll need those in Florida.
Yeah, I have some shorts. I don't have any this short. This looks like they're shorter shorts, but I don't think they're like extraordinarily short. I'm 58 years old. I'm not wearing like Daisy Dukes. No, unless it was just to embarrass my children. Ooh. How about we go to the mall together and I'll wear Daisy Dukes and a tube top?
You can do that, but you just humiliate yourself.
She's got a very mature attitude. These are 31s, and that would be a size 12. Depending on the trousers, I go between a 10 and a 12. I'm wearing size 10 jeans right now, but it really varies. These feel really light and really nice, and we'll see how they look. That's a nice purple. It's definitely purple. This is not plum. This is not all the other shades you call purple. This is purple, dictionary definition purple. And this is...
I mean, I can see that being plum.
All right. Where's the top and where's the bottom? This is a big piece of... It's a bolt of cloth. Oh, here we go. No, here we don't go. Oh, wait. I found an opening.
What is it? Is it just a scarf?
No.
It's a shirt.
It's... Here we go. I found the tag. Oh, its lining is coming undone. It is a maxi skirt. This is what I saw, if I'm not mistaken, that the pattern... Oh no, this is the tank top. Look at this. I have a note on my Pinterest that says, I love tops that are like stained glass windows.
Well, that's
They love the colors. I love the colors. I love the design. I really hope this fits. This is gorgeous. This is the one I was like, I don't know. I'm not very boho, and those of you that know me will see the problem with this right away. I don't do V-necks. I'm high-waisted, and because I'm high-waisted, I'm high-chested, and because I'm high-chested, something that would look fine on another person shows a little bit more than I'm comfortable with. This is really pretty, though. It, again, has a pattern I like very much, but I don't think this will be for me. It's really light. I saw the 3/4 sleeves, and I said, oh, this is not for summer. But it's a really, really light material.
Wow, it is light.
And this is what I saw and said, oh, I wish this would work. But, yeah, it's not bra strap friendly. See that? It's got the little spaghetti straps. I'm also not sure about this color on me. If this kind of goes with me, the warmer tones are a little better. but look at the pattern. I love the pattern on this more than I can say. Look at that, that looks like little seashells, but it's still got that stained glass thing going on.
Or dragon scales.
Dragon scales, oh wow, yeah. Excited, let me read the stylist note and see what she said and what she was thinking. Hi Monica, happy Fix Day. I see you are looking for some packable, light summer pieces. Hopefully because you were going on a fabulous vacation. Yes, nothing like Florida in late July, early August. I really studied your color palette this time on your Pinterest board. I can honestly say you're my only client who has an actual bird pinned to demonstrate the color and love for infinity scarves. I do. There was this gorgeous bird on my Pinterest, and it had this big thing hanging down from its neck. Like on a cow, I'd call it a dewlap, right? It's the thing hanging under its neck, and it's all different color feathers, and it looked like it was wearing an infinity scarf. So yes, I posted that on my Stitch Fix board as an example of what I would like. And if she actually sent me a real life bird, I'd like that too, but I don't think Stitch Fix normally includes that as an accessory. Yeah,
No one
it's
sent
kind
her
of a
a bird.
shame. I should order like bird box or
There's
something.
too many birds.
I have 3 pet birds as it is. And I may inherit some chickens shortly. We're not sure about that yet.
What?
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Where was I? And I will find that Alice Blue top for you somehow, some way. I know you prefer petite sizing, but some of the pieces that I thought you'd love don't come in a piece, so I'm sending them anyway. All right, there's no harm in trying. The only one that might be too wide in the neckline is the yellow Renee C. Yes, I'm pretty sure that will be too wide. I thought you'd love the Renee C maxi skirt too. The color. Yes. I'm sending a top by Renee C to match, although I think it may skirt the line with a bra strap thing. Okay, she knows that. Try a thin strap and let's see, because I think the colors were made for you, Christine. Boy, did she put a lot of effort into personalizing this fix. And she obviously knew which items might be a difficulty for me. But I will try them all on and come back and we'll see how they look. Well, I do. Here's the first top. Let's see how this looks. And this sweater is, I got in Stitch Fix it's almost 2 years ago now. I got this from Mitch. And look how nice it looks with this. Don't mind the shorts. Okay. I think this looks great. It looks like a stained glass window. And the sweater goes with it so well. If I could make a complaint about it, it would probably be I'm not wild about the black border. Not even remotely a deal breaker. This is absolutely a keeper. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Could I love a pattern any more than this pattern? Yes, I could. Okay. This top, I don't know how the colors look on me. You'll have to give me your opinion. I said I like tops that look like stained glass windows. This one does. It is absolutely gorgeous. The pattern, there's a problem with the fit. But you tell me what you think. Look at that pattern. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, the problem is these armholes. The armholes don't fit. Let's see. They actually stick out, and I don't really want to show you too close, but my bra completely shows on the side when I turn to the side. The armholes don't work. And it is breaking my heart because I absolutely love this pattern. Okay, I was editing my footage and I realized I had some technical problems with the shorts try-on, so we're doing that one again. All right, I'm hiking this up a little bit so you can see the shorts. Now, Thomas says these are too short on me. What do you think? They have this cute little cuff and you can unsnap it and drop them down if you want to, so they're longer. Now these are very lightweight material. They're a little pricey for what they are. Also, the color on these, the color is listed as light purple. They look khaki here, but actually there is a very faint purple sheen to them, which makes them look really nice with the purple top. Okay, going from very short to very long. Here is the maxi skirt. It is not very figure flattering on me. It is a knit. I'm going to trip over it. Trying not to trip over. Look at that. See my feet sticking out? Okay, and this yellow top, I'm not even going to try on, because when I put it on, it wasn't that the collar was wide, it was, but it actually dropped down lower than my bra, and it wasn't because of the kind of bra I was wearing. It's just this neck was way too low for me. I put it on and Mary was in the room and she goes, "Mom, no, 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 take it off right now, put something else on." So it's very nice, very light on someone shaped differently than me. This is a lovely top. I kind of knew when I took this out of the box this probably was going to be a no, unfortunately. Okay, recap. Almost all the items in this box were made in the USA, which is unusual to find and kind of a perk for me because I know there's no sweatshop labor in there. Most of the things were either cotton or rayon. I had one item that was polyester, and everything is machine washable. Most of them are line dry, but they're machine washable, so all those are a plus. Let's go over each one. The first one, oh, the one on the top of my lap, is this gorgeous halter top with a beautiful pattern on it. This is the Renee C. Electo halter top. It's listed as navy, but it's multiple colors, and it is $38. Made in the USA. Such a beautiful pattern. But look at how these arms come out. I just can't wear these armholes. If you know if this is fixable or alterable, look how nicely it rolls up too for like packing for a trip. Let me know in the comments below. The next item is my other stained glass window top. This is also made in the USA. It is polyester, so it's not as light as the other ones, but I wore this the first day I took it out of the box. This one I knew I was keeping. That is Fortune and Ivy, Phelan scoop neck knit top in turquoise, $34, and that is just gorgeous. Next one, Renee C. Ashton maxi skirt in dark purple, $38. And the color is, as Christine said, the color is to die for. I love the color. It was too long and just a little too not right around the waist. This thing, that will not fit me, no way, no how. This is the Renee C., also made in USA, Mati or Mati, M-A-T-I, billow sleeve top in mustard. It is $44. It is a very, very light, either cotton or rayon, I forget. And lastly are the shorts. This is the Cosmic Blue Love Joni Patch Pocket Short in light purple for $64. So these are a little bit pricier. They're very, very light. There's that cute little detail. And if you look close, can you see there is a hint of purple to that khaki? It's not obvious. It's just a vague little dusting of purple on top of the khaki. I'm really undecided about these. If they were a little bit longer, I would absolutely keep them. Right now, I am on the fence about them. Okay, so if I keep all 5 items, I get a discount. With Stitch Fix, you always get a discount if you keep all 5. I will not be keeping all 5. But if I did, my total would be $163.50 for 5 items, which is pretty good. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix, there will be a referral link in the description bar below. You can click to sign up to give it a try. They very often are running promotions when you use a referral link, but not always, so I don't want to promise it. You'll find out though if you click it. They change too, so depending when you're watching one of the videos, the promo will be different. So anyway, that is my July Stitch Fix. I think Christine did a great job. Give me your opinions, your honest opinions as always, so I can decide about the shorts and that halter top. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye-bye.